Yo, it's X4, and I just got my paintball right. Today we're paintballing, and yeah, this is a sawed-off shotgun. Safety mode. Okay, safety mode. The safety mode. It's my first gun. Blue. It's a sawed-off shotgun. Now I'm gonna show you a demonstration. Okay, put the camera. Okay, on your face. We did a demonstration before, and it worked out differently than I expected. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Oh, it's on safety. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Before it broke, see? Before, like, we shot it, it snapped the piece off. Oh, it went on my camera. Whatever. Very powerful gun. It looks like the Joker. It's got some toilet paper. We used 2 bullets only. And we were paintballing today, me and my friends, for my birthday. We didn't use this gun. We thought it would be crappy because it was a beginner gun. Look in the tube, it's all that. And we thought the beginner gun might break down on us. But it's a shotgun. We just found out that. And yeah, so I have to put the tube in there to clean the tube. And yep, that was my thing. It's my beginner pistol, first time going paintballing. If you're gonna go paintballing, I recommend it. I've had a fun time with all my friends. Don't listen to anyone, it doesn't hurt. Unless you're playing adult. And yeah. Alright, let's play out.